Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino, may patikim.
No.
What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Nagpatikim na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino bilang Secretary Kim at Vice Chairman sa Philippine adaptation ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Nagpatikim na sina Kim Chiu at Paolo Avellino bilang Secretary Kim at Vice Chairman sa Philippine adaptation ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Lumabas na nga ngayong Lunes sa streaming platform na Viu ang first teaser ng inaabangang series ng Chiu Pao. Sa 30-second teaser ay pinakita kung anong klaseng boss si Vice Chairman at kung paano mag-work si Kim at ang kanyang resignation sa trabaho bilang secretary. Kahit exclusive sa Viu ang teaser ay nag-trending agad ang hashtag What's Wrong with Secretary Kim sa X, dating Twitter, kung saan umulan ng papuri sina Kim at Paolo at gayon din sa ABS-CBN Studios, Dreamscape Entertainment, at Viu Philippines na nag-produce nito. Say ng mga netizens, love the cinematography and filter. Looks classy and well-made. Excited for the premiere. Very classy and expensive looking indeed. Bravo at Viu_PH. Congrats at Paulo Avellino at Prinsesa Chanita. We like how at Paulo Avellino at Prinsesa Chanita made this, their own version without losing the concept. Teaser pa lang pero punong-puno na. Romcom queen nga raw si Kim Say ng isang ex-user, sa wakas. At Prinsesa Chanita in her element again. Romcom. Nothing against heavy drama, but she's a romcom queen. Say pa ng ibang netizens, ito raw ang biggest romantic comedy series ng 2024. Unang mapapanood sa Viu ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, simula sa kalagitnaan ng Marso.